Hi, this is Brad with Aeon Systems, and today we're going to show you how to change the battery on a WS4945 DSC door window transmitter. As you can see, all four sides have a small slot. You can put a flathead screwdriver in there and slightly twist it. The top cover will pop off where you'll see the CR2 lithium battery. As you can see, the positive side faces towards the center of the transmitter. There's a small rubber tamper button that you're going to want to make sure that you don't knock off of there. When you're putting the cover back on, you'll notice that there's a small arrow on the side. Line that up with the base of the arrow onto the base plate and gently press down.